love, just noise.
Can you hear it? Clang, clang, what's it missing? Love song, how do we fix it? Sing love strong,
Let love lead where hearts belong. Love sings louder than the cymbals ring, sweeter than the smartest thing, patient, kind, and always true. Love is what we're called to do. If I play 1,000 notes, build a castle, sail some boats, still the one that rises higher is love that sets the heart on fire.
Love is patient, love is kind, it tells the truth and guards your mind. Love forgives, it doesn't brag, it lifts you up when days might drag.
Is love loud? Yes, it's clear. Does love shout? Love draws near. Can I show it? Yes, you can, with helping hands and God's great plan. Faith can move a mountain tall. Hope believes through it all. But love will always be the key. Love goes on